Welcome to our tutorial on how to send a rotated photo on Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to share your creatively rotated photos with your friends. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to begin the photo sharing process. Next, tap on the circle icon within the app to either capture a new photo or select one from your gallery. After capturing or selecting the photo, look for the crop icon located at the right side of the screen. This is where you can access the editing options to rotate the photo. Within the crop tool, tap on the rotate icon to adjust the orientation of the photo to your liking. Once you are happy with the rotation and positioning of the photo, tap on the check icon to confirm the changes you've made. To share your rotated photo with your friends, tap on the blue arrow icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen to send it to your selected recipients. By following these simple steps, you can easily share creatively rotated photos with your friends on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sending your uniquely rotated photos to add a personal touch to your conversations.